Hey guys, welcome into For the Low. My name is Spencer and today I've got this Sony 5-disc DVD player to show you. The model number of it is DVP-NC675P. Real quick though, before we get started, quick fun fact. Did you know that the first DVD that was the first cinematic picture produced on DVD was the movie Twister? A movie that many of us have probably seen. Alright, so now that we got that out of the way, on the rear panel, you've got a couple different ways to hook it up. You've got composite, component, or S-video for picture, and then you've got your coaxial digital audio and optical, and then you've also got your right and left audio output. So we're going to use the component output because that's the best picture quality. So we'll just match up the colors. And then you'll plug in your audio cable as well. And as long as you're on the right input with your TV and you've got the power on, you should get picture just fine. So we'll go ahead and put in a DVD. And on the front panel here, you've got your disc select buttons, your play, pause, and stop and skip buttons. And then you've got an eject button. And then right here is an exchange button. If you push that, you can change 4 of the discs while one of them continues to play, as you can see right here. And then with the remote, I'll hold it up to the camera. So you've got all the functions on the remote. You've got your display button so you can adjust all of that good stuff. And then you've got your disc skip button if you want to skip the disc. You've got an open close button, and then your power button. That's pretty much it for this Sony 5-disc DVD player. It's mainly for DVDs, so if you're just doing DVDs, it's perfect for you. If you want to order one, give us a call or check out our online store.